Making an in-app purchase in iOS isn't as easy as simply making an API call. There's actually an entire pipeline that manages the purchases. Here's an overview of the process. The first thing you need to do is define your purchases in App Store Connect. Here you provide a description, cost, and other important metadata to be displayed to the end user. We can define our purchases in Xcode, which allows for rapid development, but eventually you still need to define them in App Store Connect. Next, when the app starts, you'll load in the app identifiers of all your purchasable items. From there, you'll fetch the product info of all your purchasable items. At some point, you'll have a place where an end user can buy your item. When they tap the item, you'll need to present the in-app UI. When the user initiates the purchase, then you'll request payment from the App Store. You'll receive a response from the App Store, and here's where you will need to process the transaction. Processing the transactions used to involve decrypting a receipt and validating the contents. As of StoreKit 2, Apple provides a solution for this. Once you've processed the transaction, you can then unlock the content for the end user. Finally, you must finish the transaction. This is an important step. If you don't let Apple know that you've processed the transaction, Apple will think that it is new and keep presenting it. That's the entire flow, and we'll spend this course learning each and every part building on the sample app. With our app, we'll be selling a bunch of owl images. So how will we manage this in the app itself? We're going to use two types to manage the purchase flow. One will specifically communicate with the App Store. It will be notified of transactions as well as initiate purchases. The other will keep track of the specific business for the app itself. When a user makes a purchase and we verify it, a good practice is to locally save that purchase so we don't have to keep communicating with the App Store. A good way to do that is with the keychain. So let's start at the very beginning by setting up all the purchases in App Store Connect.